City of Columbus continues to invest millions of dollars each year in maintaining streets, especially resurfacing. Street resurfacing makes our roads safer, reduces vehicle and road maintenance expenses, and renews and prolongs the life of roads without the need of far more expensive total reconstruction of a street.
Street resurfacing helps prolong the life of a street due to the fact that if we had to go in and do a full fix, we'd be digging up down to the earth. Think of resurfacing as a sacrificial layer to buy us 20 or 30 years before we have to do another resurfacing.
Resurfacing saves taxpayer dollars. Resurfaced streets make neighborhoods safer places for motorists, bicyclists, and pedestrians.
Streets that lead to hospitals, schools, and other essential services are given higher priorities if they're on arterial roadways. If it's a residential roadway near one of those facilities, it's treated as a residential road.
Over many years, the changing seasons and vehicle traffic in Columbus combine to take their toll on streets. Extreme cold and heat, rain, snow and ice, freeze and thaw cycles, mixed with heavy vehicles and high volumes of traffic, add up to wear and tear on pavement. Resurfacing, pothole patching, crack sealing, slurry sealing, and microsurfacing can extend pavement life, improve safety, and help meet motorists' expectations. Columbus is a big city with lots of roadways. The city is responsible for more than 2,000 linear miles of pavement, approximately the distance between Columbus and Las Vegas.
Arterial streets and collector streets are resurfaced at a higher rate than residential streets based on traffic volumes and speeds. It's not uncommon for us to go out and resurface an arterial street more often than a collector or a residential, even twice the rate.
Unfortunately, despite unprecedented funding for resurfacing in each of the past 5 years, the need for resurfacing streets each year exceeds available funds. In addition to available funding, several other factors determine which streets are resurfaced each year, including pavement condition, traffic speeds, and traffic volumes. The city uses laser and other technologies to assess pavement roughness, ruts, cracking, potholes, and other patching. This assessment, along with average daily vehicle counts, are part of the process for selecting streets for resurfacing.
There are a number of factors considered when streets are selected for resurfacing. One being pavement condition, two being the volume of traffic on the street per day, three being the type of traffic on that street, whether it's trucks, whether it's cars, and speeds on the street are also considered.
What are the steps in a resurfacing job? Investments in Columbus's roadway system contribute to a positive place to live, work, and raise a family. The city appreciates your cooperation during resurfacing work. Here are some of the facts to keep in mind. Residential paving is done between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m., weather permitting. Paving is not done on rainy days. Slow down when driving through or near resurfacing sites. Be alert for construction workers and law enforcement officers. Pedestrians, drivers, and bicyclists should use caution on a milled street, especially near manhole covers. Keep children and pets away from work areas and equipment during all phases of a resurfacing project. You can drive on a resurfaced street after construction crews reopen the street. To learn more about resurfacing, go to columbus.gov/resurfacing.